Hello, let me start by asking you a question. Have you ever wanted to know if your desktop PC is equipped for wireless? Well, you're in the right place. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through how to check. And as a network engineer for 26 years in IT, you're in a safe place. So let's get started. So first off, what we need to do is go into control panel. So if we come down to the left here, bottom of the screen, and just type control panel. And then we want to go into network and internet. Now, if you don't see it as categories here, you can just come up here, top right, and select categories. But if you see it like this in large icons, then come in here and select categories. So we want to go in under network and internet. And then we want under network sharing center, you want to view network status. So you can see here that I've actually only got an Ethernet adapter, so I don't have wireless at this current stage, but bear with me. Okay, so we can also come down to here if we hold, and what we want to do is right click on the start button there and go into device manager. So in device manager, what we want to is go into network adapters here and have a look for a wireless adapter, and in this case again we don't see it, but as I say, bear with me, we'll get there. And again, right click on the start button and go into run and then into the command line. So we want to type CMD for the command line. So as a network engineer, this is where we like to be at, in the command line. But so if I type IP config here, so what this is going to do is show me the network adapters and also the IP address that the network adapter has. So in this case, it's this IP address is here, and it's a /24. So that's the subnet mask, and that's the default gateway. So with the magic of this being a virtual machine, what I will do now is add the wireless device. Let's rerun the command here, and you notice now we see the wireless LAN adapter. Okay, which is good news, so we're making progress. Okay, so now we've got that, and now you can see the wireless adapter has got an IP address now. So that's for the command line, we've confirmed that. And now if we go into back into device manager, we can see here the wireless adapter, which is this one, the TP-Link wireless. Okay, so we've confirmed it there as well. And for the last piece of confirmation, control panel. So back into control panel, network and internet, view network status and tasks, and bingo, there we go. We can now see the wireless adapter, and we can see that we've actually got wireless signal as well. So now we can actually say comfortably that this desktop has a wireless connection. If you want to see my other video on how to see your wireless password if you've forgotten it, then I'll pop a link in the description below. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.